Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. If you've been following our YouTube channel, you've seen we've already done a few LED upgrades to our 2016 Jeep Wrangler, but our front turn signal bulbs are still incandescents, and that is just not okay. So today we're going to change that by installing a set of LED turn signal bulbs. These amber LED bulbs are going to be direct fit replacements for the factory bulbs, and they're going to be brighter and last longer, and today we're going to be installing them on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Installation of these bulbs is very simple. Just locate the back of the turn signal housing on the grill, rotate the connector clockwise, and pull it out. And wiggle out the bulb. Install your new LED bulb, and if for whatever reason it doesn't turn on, simply pull it out, rotate it 180 degrees, and reinstall it. Put it back in the housing, rotate it counterclockwise. Repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. Here you can see on the left we have the LED turn signal bulb, and on the right is the incandescent. The LED lights up faster and it's brighter than the incandescent bulb as well. Our LED turn signal bulbs are installed. They give our Jeep a nice modern touch. Installation is only going to take about a minute, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.